Well, we can expect some heavy downpours tomorrow and Thursday as a weather impact alert day has been issued for both.
Chief Meteorologist Efren Infante is standing by now in the Weather Center with more on what we can expect over the coming days.
Well, Darcy and JR, let's get right to it because the News 19 weather impact alert, again, is for both Wednesday and Thursday. But for tomorrow, what we're looking at is a timing when roughly between 3 and 11, anywhere in the Midlands, and the impact we're looking at the potential, maybe the likelihood of heavy rainfall associated with it, and that will lead possibly into some flooding issues where we have a flood advisory, even and flood warning with the amount of rainfall we're going to be expecting. So not only do we have to do this on Wednesday, but we're going to do this again on Thursday, and the impact timing will be roughly the same, but about 2 to 10 with the heavy rainfall. And with the amount of rainfall we've already gotten, what we're getting today and tomorrow, that may exacerbate the road conditions to poor as we go throughout the afternoon and evening on Thursday. Now, we do have a couple thunderstorms in the Midlands. It's isolated, though. One in central Richland County, right along I-20 before you get to the split of I-26 and 77, moving through to the northeast. And then some pockets of heavy rainfall in central Kershaw County, especially right over at Camden, and then extending both north and south, north all the way up to near Lake Wateree, and then south as you're heading towards more like 601 and the Rembert Highway. A couple other thunderstorms in the far eastern PD and a lot of thunderstorm activity in the upstate where the heat indices aren't that bad right now. It feels like 78 in Anderson and 85 in Greenville and Greenwood, but where it hasn't rained a lick yet, Florence feels like 106, Myrtle Beach feels like 108, while Orangeburg feels like 100 degrees. It is hot, but because of all the thunderstorm activity, all that moisture is just sucked in along I-95, making it really feel uncomfortable, although the showers and thunderstorms are well north of that, more north of I-20. What we do expect is the showers and thunderstorms may get robust over the next 2 to 4 hours, and then when we get to about 2 to 3 o'clock in the morning, it'll start tapering off out of the Midlands. So at least in the morning at daybreak after 6 o'clock, we'll have partly cloudy skies, but notice a little more sunshine, a little more instability. By the middle to the afternoon, we'll start seeing more robust showers and thunderstorms, not only coming up from the low country, but coming in from Georgia right into the Midlands. So here's a forecast. In the morning, we'll start off with low temperatures in the mid-70s, quite humid, light winds, and then very likely our high temperatures in the low 90s will be sometime before or after 12 noon once the storms roll through. The News 19 weather impact alert again is for Wednesday afternoon and Thursday. Notice the Thursday temperature, though, a high of 88 degrees, and we may still deal with more storms on Friday with a high of 86. Saturday, a high of 87 with storms still likely. But as we get to Sunday through Tuesday, only a chance for isolated storms in the afternoon for a few, but it's going to get hot and humid all over again with a high of 90 Sunday, 92 Tuesday to 91 on Tuesday.